Hello friends! Now I'm going to do a Simply Earth unboxing. This is my first time getting the box. I have the super box here. I've just opened it. Interesting, there was no tape on the box, so like anybody could have opened my box. So that was a concern. Because usually the tape drives me nuts, but I know why it's there, and that's so that like my neighbors can't go through it. I will also say that I love the concept of Simply Earth. I love the videos. The people that do the videos do a really good job. And I really like their spirit. But I posted it on Facebook so that my friends could join, and one of my friends did. And I was supposed to get like a little perk, and she was supposed to get a little perk for joining off of my link, which had my code in the link. And I didn't get any credit, and she didn't get a discount. So I wrote, like you're supposed to, I wrote to the help thing, and they were so unhelpful. And I am not a fan of bad customer service. Not at all. So they're like, well, we can't do anything about it because we have to go to the developers. No, you don't. So, technologist here, I know what you have to do. You have to put credits in my account. You need to put credits in her account. That's what you need to do because that's what you said would happen when I shared this link. Oh, we can't do that. Yeah, yes, actually you can. And you have that power and you're just not doing it. So, not impressed with customer service, not impressed with how this was shipped. So, I'm thinking this is not going to be a long-term relationship, despite how much I think they have a good idea. There better be stuff in here that wows the crap out of me, but we'll see. All right, so this is the big bonus box that you get when you join. So, you get a card, a welcome. This is the person who does the videos. So, it's like a welcome kind of thing, and it's like a little foldout that tells you all about it. I'll read that later. I don't want to bother you with that. And then you get a recipe box. This is the recipe box. And this month we're making bath bombs, so I'm excited about that because I love bath bombs. As you know, if you watch this channel, I take a jacuzzi bath every day and a shower every morning. Now, interestingly, I can't open this box. Oh. It'd be hard for my neighbors to get into this box because... Oh, okay, so this has like oils in it. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. This is the recipe box. And it has... I have no idea what this is. This is Simply Pure Promise. I don't know. I'm not doing a great job of showing you. It's purple. So I mean it's lavender. I have no idea. These are all Simply Earth. Oh, this is Peace and Quiet. Oh, I see. The thing is on the side. That was lavender. That one was lavender. This is Peace and Quiet. And these are the things that go in the bath bombs. So I know that because I watched the videos. There was a shipping problem. This is oregano. There was a shipping problem, which was not their fault. It had to do with a distributor. And then this is Sweet Dreams. So these are things to make the bath bombs. So that's nice. And then there's like a little rubber dish I think we're going to use for something. There's a bottle of, no idea what, vegetable glycerin. I'm sure that's for the bath bombs. And then there's wax. These bombs are candles. I don't know what I'm doing. There's stickers. I like that. They're stickers. And then body milk diffuser. All right. So this box does not go with the bath bombs. That's a separate thing. So these are things to make a lotion bar. That makes more sense because of what's here. Lavender body polish. I don't know if you've met me, but I'm not one to wear polish. Also not one to wear makeup. And this is why I don't look 50. Alright. Oh. Oh, I see. This is the monthly box. And underneath it is this whole big thing of like little bottles. So you can make stuff. I do like that. I am impressed with that. Alright. Alright. So far, so good. So far, worth what I paid for it. This is beeswax, which if you make anything, you know that you use beeswax, and I use beeswax. What I like about this company is as they really do a lot of research into the stuff that they're using so that it's animal friendly. And if it's not animal friendly, they tell you. And as a person with diverse animals living in this house, including humans, I pay attention to that stuff. Ooh, a big ass jar of coconut oil. Oh, like a little, no idea what this is for, but probably for one of the crafts. And then a bottle of fraction coconut oil, which I know you use and stuff. And then a bottle of almond oil. So you really do get all the tools that you need. I like that. And I like that everything is clearly labeled. I like that those little jars come with stickers so you can label things. And having watched the videos, you know, that she really does walk you through exactly how to do everything, how to make everything, and then how to label it. So I am going to be positive and say that I think their website, I'm obviously the woman who does these videos, this person, whoever she is, she's not the person working the help desk. I know that because I work on help desks. So she may not even be aware that they were so unhelpful, which still irritates me. I have to say, that irritates me because you're trying to, you know, boost your business. It's a new business. It's a young business. You don't want to be taking off people who do YouTube videos and put them on TikTok and Instagram, right? I mean, I don't have a huge followership, but if somebody Googles, you know, review, because I do that before I actually get a box, I look up and see other people's reviews, you know, and I'm going to always say it how it is, right? Because I'm not sponsored by anybody. I don't receive money on this channel from sponsorships or anything. So, you know, I like the stuff in the box, though. I will say that. I like the stuff in the box, and I like her videos. So those are redeeming factors and may outweigh the fact that I'm very irritated that pretty much they lie about the promo code. That's a big fat lie, so don't fall for that. And then the lady was not only, like, she gave me a hard time, and she's like, well, you had to give your friend your code. I'm like, honey, it's in the code. Like, here's the code. Here's a screenshot of the code. See my code in there? It's right there. So, well, then we have to talk to the developers. We'll get back to you. Haven't heard a thing, and it's been a week. I don't like that because it's dishonest, and that's a reflection of your business practice. And if that's how you conduct your business, we can't do business together, right? You have a great product here. I want to think the best of you. So I will give them another chance. I will give them a chance to make that right. But if they don't, both my friend and I are going to say, you know, sayonara, and we'll just get our herbs somewhere else because we get herbs all over the place. We get oils and herbs everywhere. But I do like the box, and I do like her. I do like the person who does the videos. So I want to give them an opportunity to make it right and to be as in love with them as I think I could be if they thought about their business practices, or at least their help, because that's a huge part of your business is how you help people that have issues, right? So I just had this experience yesterday where I needed help, and the person's like, well, it works for me. Not helpful, dear. It doesn't work for me, right? So if you're in the business of helping people, then help them. All right, well, I am impressed with what's in the box. I am excited to make these things. It's Friday night. That's my night of making things. So I'm going to be cooking up some of these recipes tonight. I'll let you know how they go. And I'm gonna reserve judgment. We'll see if they make right on their promise. And if they do, that's awesome. And I will champion them to the end of the earth. And if they don't, well, then I won't champion them. And you'll know about it because I'll tell you. Because it's important to be honest. And I think honest reviews are so needed. And you need them from people who aren't getting a kickback. And I'm not getting any kickback, so you're going to get honesty from me. All right, I am wishing all of you all the very best in light and love. And have a great weekend. Bye-bye.